Good morning, everyone. I'm Chirag Munjani, founder of Rural Pleasure Journeys and recipient of Indian Responsible Tourism Award 2017. So, what we do at Rural Pleasure is we primarily work with the village communities across Gujarat at several destinations, and we try to improve livelihood of the local community that works with us. We also conserve the environment and preserve the culture through tourism. So in Gujarat, we are working in Dangs. We started our operations from Dangs, which is in South Gujarat, and after getting good response from our holidays in Dangs, we scaled it up in various other destinations of Gujarat, like Little Run of Kutch, the Greater Run of Kutch, the Gir, then the Chota Udaipur, Jambu Goda, and Savarkundla. And our focus is to do good through tourism, and we've been very satisfied travel agency in that terms. Well, winning Indian Responsible Tourism Award has helped me in many ways. But before I tell you about how it has helped me, let me tell you why did I apply for it and how did I happen to know about Indian Responsible Tourism Award. So I saw this advertisement in Outlook Traveler. I'm a subscriber of Outlook Traveler, and I love to read about traveling a lot. And the content of Outlook is really nice. I happened to see this advertisement about Indian Responsible Tourism Award, and that was a very sensible ad to me, because that was the time when responsible tourism was not talked too much in this country. Yeah, it is the mass tourism that drives tourism in this country. And here is an organization, an institution who is talking about giving awards in responsible tourism. So that is something that caught my attention. And then I thought, why not apply for it? Then I went to the website, and going through the website, I first thing I saw was the categories, and then questions in each and every category. So these questions were very fascinating to me. It helped you introspect a lot, and they helped me figure out what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, and what I should be doing. So that is a very interesting side of it, and that is what made the application even more appealing to me. And then the shortlist was made, and I was one in the shortlist. And then again you have to go through another round of questions which are even more challenging to answer. And you are questioned about the way you are doing things, the kind of impact that you are creating, and you have to justify everything. And that was a very good experience for me. It helps a lot in introspection. So if somebody is aspiring to take up this award, I sincerely suggest each and everyone that you must apply for this award and go through the questions that are being asked to you. It helps you in evaluating your business in a very good way, right? So that is how, that is one of the ways in which Indian Responsible Tourism Award has helped me. It helped me introspect, and it has helped me in earning good credibility as well. After winning the award, you stand out from others, and people are also curious to learn that what is responsible tourism all about, and how are you doing it, and how are the experiences of responsible tourism different from what they have been practicing. So there was a noise about responsible tourism after winning this award, which is something very interesting and something very special to me. And this credibility helped me not only in getting more like-minded travelers, but it has also helped me in enhancing my relationship with other institutions, like properties that give accommodation, in state tourism you have a voice, and it has helped in many ways. And uh, the beauty is the responsible tourism awards ceremony itself. It connects you to a like-minded traveler. For example, Gujarat, it's only Rural Pleasure Journeys that promotes a responsible tourism in multiple destinations. Now, being alone in Gujarat, you feel that you are the only one doing this. But when you go in this forum of responsible tourism, you realize that you are not the only one. There are many people in India promoting responsible tourism, and all of them unite. They have each one of them have a special way of offering their own responsible holidays, and showcasing their ideas about responsible tourism. So this forum has helped in connecting me to a lot of responsible tourism operators across Gujarat, and across India as well. So that is one good takeaway from winning Indian Responsible Tourism Award. And yeah, it's a very good forum to learn. Uh, I for the first time learned that there is a model for giving fantastic holidays to disabled people, right? And that is something I had never even thought of. That this is a segment which can be catered in a very responsible way, so that they get the best from their holidays. And of course, uh, this is the reason why I know Dr. Harold, Manisha, Rupesh, and many other panelists, Soiti, and a lot of other panelists. So had I not won this award, I wouldn't have been familiar to you. So yes, it helps you in giving a very good recognition, and that is something which is really very inspiring. And that's my biggest takeaway from the Indian Responsible Tourism Award. Yeah, thank you.